Firm and irrevocable is my doom, which I have passed upon her. She is banished.
Oh, my poor Rosalind, whither wilt thou go? I charge thee, be thou not more grieved than I am.
I have more cause.
Thou hast not, cousin. Prithee be cheerful. Knowest thou not Duke hath banished me as well?
That he hath not.
No, hath not. Rosalind lacks the love which teacheth thee that thou and I am one. Shall we part, sweet girl? No. Devise with me a plan how we may fly, whither to go, and what to bear with us.
Why, whither shall we go?
To seek my uncle in the forest of Arden.
Alas, what danger will it be to us, maids as we are, to travel forth so far? Beauty provoketh thieves sooner than gold.
I'll put myself in a poor and mean attire, and with a kind of umber smirch my face.
Were it not better that I did sue me all points like a chicken?
No, it were not better.
But I do counterfeit the antics of that foul well.
I tell you now, you cannot fly from this place in the guise of a chicken.
Why ever not? Chickens fly.
That is not the point.
Then what is?
You bring me out of tune. You cannot be a chicken because no one would believe you. No one would bring a chicken, their sole companion, to the forest of Arden. They would seem out of place.
I've thought of that. I have a plan.
And your plan is?
That you should become a chicken as well.
Rosalind, you go too far. To ask me, your loyal cousin, to be a chicken?
Julia then lacks the love which teaches thee that thou and I am one. So shall we wander, hand in hand and hand in hand.
Fiend, you turn my own words back at me. I stayed through the banishment of your father, and I would have stayed through the banishment of you. But you've overstepped your mark. And you, Rosalind, are a chicken, and therefore no friend of mine.